Hey guys, are you facing error code ERR proxy connection failed, Chrome Windows PC problem, or getting this error on your PC again and again? In this video, we are going to teach you how to fix error proxy connection failed on Windows 10. Let's start the video. First of all, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type adjective, then hit Enter. Now create a backup of the registry. You can do this by clicking File, then selecting Export. Now locate the given location. Now delete the displayed values. Restart your computer. Hopefully, this method will help you to troubleshoot your proxy connection failed error. You may have a better suggestion to share. I recommend you to let everyone know it in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.